Good morning. Welcome to the orientation for parents and students of grade 5 on the use of Splat as an asynchronous learning platform. So what is Splat? Splat is an acronym that stands for the word supporting parents, learners, administrators, and teachers. So Splat is an application software. This was introduced to us by Mr. Christopher Hancock, President of Right Size Education Technologies Incorporation. So what are you going to do today? So today you're going to, actually, we're not going to have Zoom, but instead you're going to watch this FB Live for orientation about Splat. So that's what you're doing right now. And then second step is download Splat Family app from Play Store. So how to download? Look for the Play Store icon on your phone. It looks like a triangle. Click it and then click the search for apps on top of your screen sa may bandang taas, and then type the letters SPLAT and then click on Splat Family app. So pag tinignan niyo yung arrows, yung mga tinuturo ng arrows, yun yung mga pipindutin nyo at gagawin ninyo. So after that, you're going to tap or click on install sa inyong cellphone or tablet. So pindutin yung install. Kulay green. And then, number 3, open the Splat Family app, then fill out the required data such as first name, last name, learner reference number, LRN, and 4-digit Splat code sent by the teacher. So, naipadala ko na po sa inyo lahat yung first name, last name ng student, learner reference number at LRN. If you cannot see it, send me a message at Rich Vilma Villesco. Then, tap continue. So, makikita nyo po yung Welcome to Splat Family. Click on the black triangle. So, pindutin nyo yung black triangle. And then, choose Philippines dun sa select country. Sa select language naman, you have the option to choose English or Filipino. So, you just tap on the black triangle to see the other options. And then, click Start Enrollment. So, yung mga nakikita yung arrows, it's pointing to the part of your screen that you're going to tap or click. So, yan po ang nagtuturo sa inyo kung alin ang pipindutin, yung mga red arrows na yan. So, number 4, click the 3 lines on the upper right corner of the screen. Then, 5, click Sync, and 6, wait until it shows the word updated. So, yan po yung makikita nyo sa phone screen nyo once you have installed Splat Family. So, pipindutin nyo yung Splat Family, click Splat Family to open it, and then type in your 4-digit code. Ang gamitin nyo na lang na PIN, yung din 4-digit code na na-send ko po sa inyo. And then, tap yung 3 lines po na nandun sa taas. Okay, so pipindutin nyo po yan. And then, sync data. Yung mga binilugan ko, yan po. Diyan po kayo pipindot. After you see the word updated, you may turn off your mobile data. Open the mathematics lesson in Splat app. Then, click and watch the video lesson about area of a circle. Then, click exit when done. So, you can click quiz, answer questions in the 2 tests, click submit, turn on your mobile data, click the 3 lines on the upper right corner of the screen, click sync data until you see the word updated, and attend the part 2 orientation of Splat on Friday at 8 o'clock a.m. So thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Goodbye, class.